Ook dank aan de artiesten die allemaal live komen optreden. En ja, nu een heel speciaal moment. Brugge, geef ze een applaus, want ze gaat een nummer brengen van Adele. Hometown Glory. Hier is Caroline.
I've been walking in the same way as I did. I'm missing out the cracks in the pavement and turning my heel and strutting my feet. Is there anything I can do for you, dear? Is there anyone I could call? No and thank you, please my heart down. I am lost, just wondering. Round my hometown, memories of rage. Round my hometown, ooh, the people have met, yeah. Wonders of my world. You are the wonders of my world. Are the wonders of this world. Are the wonders of my world. I like it in the city when the air is so thick and opaque. I love it to see everybody in short shirts, shorts and shades. I like it in the city when two worlds collide. You get the people and the government, everybody taking different sides. Shows that we ain't gonna stand. Shows that we are united. Shows that we ain't gonna take it. It shows that we ain't gonna stand. Shows that we are united. Around my hometown, memories of rage. Around my hometown, ooh, the people have met, yeah. Do da 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 da.
Is 12 en 17 stem uit de 1000. Super, wat is het weer fantastisch dat ze erbij is.